Pasco County tonight, leaders are taking action to keep the Zika virus at bay. As ABC Action News reporter Cameron Polam shows us, they're helping people get rid of a major risk at home, and they're doing it for free.
I've been here 30 years. I fought that for 12.
Roger Smith can smile now, but just a year earlier, thousands of tires were finally being removed from the property next door.
Basically, you could not go out of your home in the evening, especially about this time of day.
He's talking about the mosquitoes. Neighbor Sandy Brooks remembers them well.
Especially after it rains, the mosquitoes were swarming us.
At the time, even before Zika virus, mosquito-borne illnesses were on everyone's mind.
There was a constant worry.
And while the fight on Bessemer Street finally ended in victory for these neighbors, the county says the battle is far from over.
It is a big problem. Water accumulates inside the tire.
Environmental manager Charles Ryburn says every day his crews pick up tires thrown aside throughout the county. But inside the tires, mosquitoes are making themselves at home.
Once they're dumped, they're usually not disturbed, so the water remains in there stagnant for a long time. So it's a perfect breeding ground.
So now with the Zika virus as close as Hillsborough County, leaders in Pasco are taking action offering tire disposal. Anyone with tires can drop them off Sunday, March 13th for free at the county landfill. So hopefully breeding grounds like the one in Smith and Brooks neighborhood won't happen again. In Pasco County, I'm Cameron Polam, ABC Action News.